Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello student, we meet again on our new topic, which is whole number 3, and we're going to do two topic today, two small topic, which is number A, multiply by 10, 100 and 1000, and secondly, multiply by tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, now I'm sure you know what is multiply is, right? Yes, multiply is times, isn't it? Times. So our objective today is to learn how to multiply whole number. All right, you can see the red word there, whole number by 10, 100 and 1000. So we're going to learn that. And second objective we're going to achieve today is to multiply whole number up to 4-digit number by tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, so from this topic, do you know what is whole number? Yes. What is a whole number? A whole number is simply any positive number that does not include a fraction or decimal number. Okay, so whole number ini ia tidak ada fraction and ia bukan decimal. So kalau ia ada fraction and ada decimal point, itu bukan whole number. So what is the example of whole number? Anybody knows? Yes, for example, this is the whole number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 6, 10, 12. Okay, ataupun 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on and so on. Okay, another example is here. Okay, 23, 22, 21, 25, 26, 27, 36, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46 and so on. And this is another whole number, so 67, 68, 69, 80, 81, 82, 89, 100, 102, 115. Okay, another example is 200, 201, 202, 400, 401, 415 and so on. Okay, these are all whole number. So pokoknya whole number ni adalah nombor yang tidak ada fraction and nombor yang tidak ada decimal point. Pokoknya ia nombor-nombor biasa saja. Okay, nombor yang biasa-biasa tadi lihat. That is whole number. Okay, I hope you understand what is whole number. Huh? Okay, now how to multiply. This is topic A just now. How to multiply by 10, 100 and 1000. How do we multiply this? Okay, for example, if you see this question, 5 times 10. Now, of course, by mentally, we can multiply this, right? 5 times 10 is equal to 50, isn't it? Table 5, table 10. But how about if the number, the whole number, we give the bigger number, nombor-nombor yang besar. Okay, so sudah tentunya we need a step to do. Okay, how to multiply by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, let's look at the rules. Okay, seperti biasa ada rulesnya, ada stepnya. Okay, step 1. What is the step 1? Underline whole number. Now, which do you think 5 times 10 ni, yang mana satu whole number yang teacher can underline? Underline whole number. This is the first step. Whole number adalah 5. Is 5 whole number? Yes, 5 is whole number. And where is another whole number? Yes, 10. But tapi teacher ambil 1 as a whole number. So artinya teacher gariskan yang nampak yang selain dari kosong, teacher gariskan yang whole number. Okay, selain dari 0. Okay, so di sini teacher gariskan 5 times 5 and 1. Okay, what happened to step 2? Step 2, ni nah, multiply the whole number. Okay, so selepas tadi underline whole number tadi, selain dari 0, jangan garis 0 tadi mau whole numbernya saja. We multiply, so tadi kali 5 times 1 is equal to, yes, 5, isn't it? So the third step, what happened? Then count how many 0. Artinya kira berapa buting 0 ada di dalam soalan ni. So if you can see sini ada berapa 0 yang Tani tengok, Tani lihat 1, isn't it? So I put a dot there, di bawahnya dot. So menunjukkan ada 1 0 di sana. So what happened next? Step 4, write the 0, yang 0 Tani tandakan dot tadi, at the back of the answer. So tadi ada Tani sudah kali, jawapannya 5 kan, 5 kali 1, jawapannya 5. And 0 tu di mana Tani letakkan, yang Tani kira 0 berapa buting itu. So Tani letakkan di belakang jawapan itu. So 1 0. So you got 50, isn't it? Alright, easy, right? Okay, let's try another example. 130 times 10. So this is times by 10. Kalau kamu perasan, teacher times by 10 dulu. Okay. So first of all, then you follow the rules, underline the whole number. So which do you think whole numbernya di sini? Yang Tani should underline. Yes, 13 and 1. Okay, selain dari 0 yang di belakangnya tu, that is sekarang atau later Tani kira. So Tani underline whole number first. So 13 times 1. So step 2, we multiply. We got 13, isn't it? Easy, 13 times 1 is equal to 13. Next, count how many 0 yang di belakangnya. So kalau kamu tengok, kamu lihat di sini berapa 0 yang Tani mesti count from the back, di belakangnya. Yes, let's see. 1 ada 1, and di belakang sini pun ada 1, belakang whole number tu. So ada 2 0. So what should you do? Step 4, write the 0 at the back of the answer yang kamu kali tadi. So I put from ones, dari ones cikgu susun 0 and another 0 ke depan. So the answer is 1300. Next one, 400 times 10. How about this one? What do you think is the answer? First, underline the whole number. So which is the whole number sini? Mana whole number? Selain dari 0 yang di belakangnya. Yes, 4 and 1, isn't it? 4 and 1. So next step, multiply the whole number. So 4 times 1 is easy, 4. Alright, next, count how many 0. Let's count how many 0 do we get? 1, 2, 3, isn't it? Okay, teacher hanya mengira 0-nya yang di belakang itu sahaja. Okay, yang ada 0 di belakang nombor whole number tu. So 3 0, so I put susun from ones, tens, 100. So 3 0 yang teacher susun menjadikan the answer 4,000. Okay, next one, 569 times 100. Now cikgu times by 100. Okay, now how about you times by 100? Nah, tadi 10 ini kali 100 lagi. Okay, again, use the rule. Underline the whole number. Which do you think is the whole number? Yes, 569. And what is another whole number yang dikali itu? Yes, 1, isn't it? Selain dari 0, selain dari 0. That is the whole number. And then next step, multiply. What is the answer? Yang kamu garis, yang whole number yang kamu garis, yang dimultiply. So the answer is yes, 569 is the answer. It's the same answer. And count how many 0? Step 3. 1, 2. Isn't it? Ada lagi sini? Nada di belakang sini 0. So no need. So how many 0 you put here at the back of the answer? 20. From ones, dari ones teacher susun zeronya. And another one ke depan, 2 zeros. And the answer is 56,900. Let's look at the next example. Still times 100. Let's practice. So 2,208 times 100. Okay, where is the whole number? Adakah 22 saja? Adakah 8 saja? Macam mana? Pasal ada 0 di tengah-tengahnya. How about that? Yes, whole numbernya ialah 2,208. Okay, jika 0-nya di tengah-tengah whole number itu, ia masih dikira whole number. Okay, ia termasuk dalam whole number, 0 yang di tengah-tengah itu. Okay, and where is another whole number? Yes, 1 is the whole number. Okay, kecuali 0-nya ada di belakang whole number itu tidak dikira. Okay, jangan di underline. Alright, so you multiply, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is 2,208. Good. Okay, what is the next step? Count how many 0 yang di belakang. Yes, 1, 2. Is there any 0 here? Next to 2,208? No 0. So that's mean there are only 2 0 to write at the back of the answer. Okay, 2 0 saja. Alright, and the answer is 220,800 is the answer. Okay, try this one. Times 100 still. 7,060 times 100. Okay, which one do we underline? Which whole number? Is it 7 and 6 only? Yes, we underline 706 sahaja. And 0 di belakangnya ni, tani tidak underline. Pasal tani hanya mengira yang ada whole number and 0-nya di tengah-tengah antara dua whole number. So that is 706. And which one is another whole number? Yes, 1, isn't it? So you underline dulu whole number. Okay, tidak termasuk yang di 0 yang di belakang nombor whole number tu. Atau karang tani kira. Okay, 706 times 1 is equal to 706. Yes, good. And how about the zeros? How many do we count the zeros? Yang di belakang? 1, 2, and mana lagi? 3, isn't it? 0-nya di belakang itu yang dikira. So there are 3 zeros that we should write at the back of the answer. Lepas tani mengali ya. 1, 2, 3. Alright. So you got 706,000, the answer. Right? Okay, now let's go to 1,000. 12 times 1,000. What do you think is the answer? First, we underline the whole number. So underline the whole number, please. 12 and 1. Very good. Alright. So next, multiply the whole number. 12 times 1. The answer is, yes, 12 is the answer. Good. And how about the 0? Count the 0 di belakangnya. There are 3 0. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Di sini di belakang 12 ini ada 0. So no need. Tidak ada 0 kan di count. So ada 3 saja. So we want to write down the 0 from ones, tens and hundreds. So you got 12,000. Alright, let's try the next example. 3,090 times 1,000. Remember, underline the whole number first. Which one is the whole number? 3,090. Which one should we underline? Yes, 309 saja. 0-nya di belakang, jangan digaris. Pasal tadi kan kira 0-nya di belakang karang. Okay? Kecuali yang 0 di tengah tengah. Itu termasuk whole number, tanda garis. Okay. And 1 is the whole number also. And we multiply 309 times 1 is equal to, yes, 309. And how about the zeros? How many zeros should we write? How many zeros should we count? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Any more? Yes, this one, right? Di belakang 9 ni kan? So, that is count as 0. So, how many zeros should we write at the back of the answer? 4 0. 2, 3, 4. So, you got 3,090,000 is the answer. Alright, let's try the next one. 60,388 times 1,000. So how should I underline the whole number here? So where is the whole number? Yes, the whole number is 60,388. Oleh sebab zero-nya kenapa? Zero-nya pun digaris as a whole number. Pasal ia di tengah nombor whole number. Okay, whole number. So ini semua whole number. And where is another whole number? Yes, 1 is the whole number. So 60,388 times 1 equal, berapa jawapannya? Yes, 60,388 is the answer. Still the same. So kali dengan 1 kan senang. And how many zeros should we count? Let's see. 1, 2, and 3. Is there any zero beside here? No zero to be count. So there are 3 0 to be write down at the back of the answer. Alright. So the answer is 60,388,000 is the answer. Okay, that is about multiply by just now, by 10, by 100 and 1000. Now look at the topic B. Tani beralih kepada topic B, how to multiply by tens, any tens, apa saja tens, hundreds and thousands. Apa saja tens, apa saja nombornya hundreds, and apa saja thousands. Okay, the rule is still the same. The rule sama macam tadi, tapi ada working lah kalian ya. Let's see macam mana workingnya. Let's see. First, underline the whole number. Underline the whole number, please. The question here is 40 times 50. Dia lagi ada times 10, times 100, times 1000 tadi. Ini berubah sudah. Ada 50, ada 60, ada 600. Sekarang tu. Lain sudah. So again, underline 4 and 5 because itu yang tadi nampak whole number. Okay. Yang 0 di belakangnya jangan digaris pasal itu kan di count the 0. Okay. So let's multiply 4 times 5 equal. Ni tadi mesti multiply ni. Ikut cari tables, cari jawapannya. The answer is 20, isn't it? 4 times 5 equal 20, isn't it? Next, count how many? 0. Okay. How many 0 do you see? Yes, there are 2 0, 1, and di sini 2 zeros. Okay. So where do you put the zeros? Di belakang jawapan tadi yang 20 ya. So 1 zeros and another 0. So you got the answer 2000. Okay. 2000. Okay. Itulah pentingnya tadi mengali whole number dulu. Okay. Zeronya lepas satu tadi mengira. Okay. Okay, let's see the next example. 350 times 20. So which one is the whole number? Dari sini, look at the first number. 350, which is the whole number? Yes, oleh sebab zero-nya belakang, so 35 is the whole number. How about 20? Mana satu whole number yang tadi mesti garis? Yes, 2, isn't it? So 35 times 2. So you can use your working macam biasa. 35 times 2, I got berapa tu? Yes, 70. Right? 35 times 2, I got 70. And let's count how many zeros. Step 3. Okay, there are di belakangnya 1 and 2 zeros. So there are 2 zeros that we're going to write at the back of the answer. Alright, so 2 zeros. Where's the 2 zeros? Okay, and now the answer is 7,000. Okay, next one. 2,500 times 30. Okay, let's underline the whole number di sini dulu. Which one is the whole number? Yang kamu nampak? Is it 2,500 semua whole number atau yang mana? Yes, 25 is the whole number. And sebelah sini, mana satu whole number? 3 is the whole number. So, 25 times 3, you show your working to find the answer. And you got 75. And how many zeros should we count? Let's see. Dari sini ada 1 zero. Di sini ada 2 zero di belakangnya. So, there are 3 zeros we can write down at the back of the answer. And the answer is 75,000. Okay, let's try this. Multiply 16 by 500. Alright, so multiply means kalilah 16 times 500. Again, check for whole number and underline. So 16, of course, 16 is the whole number. And how about 500? Mana satu whole numbernya? Yes, 5 is the whole number. So 16 times 5. As usual, working. And you got 80. Alright, 80. Next, count the how many? 0. Dari belakang. 1, 2. Isn't it? 2 0. Di sini ada 0 yang belakangnya. So, di sini saja. So, you put the 2 zeros at the back of the answer. Alright. And you got 8,000. Right? Easy, right? Okay. Next example. 122 times 300. How about that? Let's check from here. Underline the whole number. Which one? Yes, 122 is the whole number. How about 300? Yes, 3 is the whole number, isn't it? Okay. Next, show your working. 122 times 3, macam biasa. And you got 366. And count the 0. Macam biasa, you put a dot di bawah 0 tu untuk mengira berapa banyak 0 yang mesti Tani letak di belakang jawapan. So 20, so I put 20 here dari ones. So I got 36,600. Next one. Okay, let's try the next one. Okay, can you see? 2,160 and times 400. Okay, di sini dulu Tani check mana whole number yang Tani mesti garis. Okay, so oleh sebab 0 ni di belakang, so we take 216 saja sebagai whole number. And where is the whole number here? 4. Okay, so you show your working, find the answer macam biasa, and you got 864. Next, let's count how many 0. There are 3 0. Di sini ada 1 di belakangnya, and arah 400 ada 2 zeros. So altogether ada 3 zeros to be put at the back of the answer. 1, 2, 3 zeros. So you got 864,000. Okay, let's move on. 39 times 6,000. Now you times by 1,000 now. Okay, tadi sudah tens, tadi sudah dengan hundreds. How about that? Okay, let's start with 39. Can we underline 39 as a whole number? Yes, 39 as a whole number. And 6,000, mana whole numbernya? Yes, 6 is the whole number. Next, you show your working. 39 times 6 as usual. And you got 234. Okay, so apabila sudah Tani mengali whole numbernya, count how many? 0. So dari 39 ini, can you see any zeros di belakangnya? No, isn't it? So no need. So 6,000, any zeros? Yes, di belakangnya ada 3 zeros, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. So you write down 3 zeros at the back of the answer, di belakang jawapan yang kamu dapat tadi. And you got 234,000. Okay, let's see the next one. I think it's the last slide. 650 times 4,000. Which one is the whole number? Let's check from 650. Mana whole numbernya dulu? Cari whole numbernya. Yes, 65, isn't it? Yes, so 0 belakangnya jangan digaris. Okay, 4,000, which one is the whole number here? Yes, 4 is the whole number. And we multiply. Next step, 65 times 4. And the answer is 260 is the answer. Bila tani kali tadi whole numbernya. And how many zero? Let's see. Do you see how many zero? Is this the zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 zeros to be put at the back of the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Okay, and your answer will be 2,600,000. Okay. Oh, one more slide, I think. Okay, 1,700 times 5,000. Be careful with this. All right, let's see. From here, 1,700. Which one is the whole number? Yes, 17, is it? Yes, 17. Oleh sebab 2 zero ni di belakang, so we cannot underline. We underline 17 only. Times 5. 5 is the whole number. So from your working, 17 times 5, you got 85, isn't it? And how many zeros should we get? Let's see. Do we have 3 zeros only? Is this the only zeros that we can put a dot? No. Where is the 2 zeros lagi? Yes, here, isn't it? Di belakang sini. So there are how many zeros? There are 5 zeros altogether. So you just put dari belakang atau dari ones, 5 zeros. And the answer is 8,500,000. So that is the answer. Okay, I hope you understand and follow the rules that I've teach you just now. And we're going to do the activity next. Thank you.